Assalamu alaikum dear friends, I am engineer Saifullah and you are watching Civil Engineer at Site YouTube channel. So friends, today I am going to show you how to study the shop drawings for footing, how to read the structural drawing in a proper way. So our today video is for the footing shop drawings. In this video I will show you how to study the shop drawings for a footing, and you have to watch the video from start till the end. So after that there will be no confusion in your mind at your side. So watch the video till the end. If you are a new viewer, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video and share it with your friend. So guys, whenever you are going to start to study shop drawing or check the shop drawing, first you have to know about that it's approved or not. How you will know? You have to check the materials, the submittal form for the shop drawing. Like this is approved, approved as noted. Here you can see some general comments from the consultant, so they write approved as noted. Approved as noted mean approved with comments. So guys, after that you have to come to the general notes of the drawing. Here you can see in general notes all dimensions are in millimeter unless otherwise indicated. Okay, the drawing must be read in conjunction with architectural and other engineering drawings. The compressive strength of the concrete will be 35 MPa. Steel yield stress for reinforcing bars are 420 MPa and it will be grade 60. Bearing capacity of soil will be 150 kN per meter. Footing. For the footing we will use the SRC type of cement. Where we are using the SRC type cement, where the concrete has a contact with soil. So the concrete for the footing will be M35, column will be M35, beam will be M35, slab will be M35. It means that all the structural concrete should be M35. M35 and C35 are same thing, but in our project here we call it C35, and this is the drawings from our other projects, so they called there at M35. Legends are abbreviation. So SOG slab on grade, TOS top of slab, TOB top of beam, BOF bottom of footing, and GL natural ground level, TOP top of parapet, TOGB top of grade beam. Standard reinforcement concrete cover detail. Footing. For the footing the concrete cover will be 7.5 cm or 75 mm. For the column 40 mm, for the beam 30 mm, for the slab 20 mm. Lathing length for the different bar the diameter, and this is the lath in the millimeter. For the 8 diameter bar 400 mm, for 10 500 mm, for 12 600 mm, for 16 800 mm, for 20 1000 mm, for 28 1400 mm, for 32 1600 mm. How you will find the lathing length for the different dia bars? So here they show you. All lathing length or all laths shall be tension splice 50 multiplied by diameter. So here you can see, let me show you, 8 multiplied by 50 is equal to 400. So you have to multiply the diameter of the bar with 50, so you will get the lathing length. After that, when you study the general notes, then you have to come to the foundation layout. This is the layout of foundation or footing. In this zone 9 building we are using all footing and with the same detail, so they call F1 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 F1. Here you can see dimension 2 by 2 meter footing. All footings are 2 by 2 meter. So from here you can mark the dimension location for the inspection. When you are submitting the drawing for the inspection, so you have to highlight the footing for where you are going to conduct the inspection, so it will be easy to find the location of the footing. When you study the layout or you get the details, like from layout what you will get, location of the element and also dimension and also the name of the footing. So after that we have to go to the bar bending schedule. This is the schedule, bar bending schedule. So for zone 9 building we are using all footing for same detail like F1. So number of footing is 9 footing we have, I will show you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 footing we have in the zone 9 building. Number of footing 9. Reinforcement concrete size. Length of the footing or the steel will be 2 meter. Breadth of the footing will be 2 meter and depth of the footing will be 450 centimeter. Now bottom reinforcement both ways. The steel which we will use for the bottom reinforcement is 16 dia bars. 16 dia bar will be used in the bottom reinforcement of the footing, and the distance between two steel will be 15 centimeter. Top reinforcement will be 12 dia bar and the distance between two bar will be 15 centimeter. Here this is the most important part. From this detail you will study the section easily if you study this part. So here it is this part is representing item number, this part is representing number of bar, this part for the diameter of the bar, this part for the center to center distance between two bar, bottom or this part will represent layer, this part will represent length. So after studying bar bending schedule and these general notes, we will go to the cross section. So you have to use this footing section to execute your work. Dear, this is a PCC or blending concrete or lean concrete. Before this, here we have a compacted soil. The soil should be compacted from 95, should minimum 95%, and each layer will be 25 to 30 centimeter. After that you have to spray the pesticide. After that you have to provide 250 micron plastic or wafer barrier, and after that you have to do the PCC, which will be 10 centimeter thick. When you do the complete the PCC, so you have to start the reinforcement installation. So here you can see 16 diameter at the rate of 150 meter for bottom 1 and bottom 2. Bottom 1, bottom 2 means we have bottom in the footing in both ways. So one way called bottom 1, the other way called bottom 2. So the bottom steel will be 16 dia bar. And the distance between two bar will be 15 centimeter, and this is the shape of the bar. So you have to cut the steel in this shape. 25 centimeter will be this part, this part will be 25 centimeter, and this will be length will be 1.85 meter, and you have to install this. And this part, let's see now, this for the bottom. Now this part is for the top 1 and top 2, top steel of the footing. So here you can see both reinforcement are the same, but here the diameter is 16 and here the diameter will be 12, and the same distance between two steel bar. Length will be 2.35 total length. This is the total length. When you add these numbers, so you will get this length. So length of the bar will be 2.35 meter. When you complete the concrete, so here you can see you have to provide the bitumen paint 2 layers, and this is the construction key joints. How you will do that? When you complete the reinforcement of the footing, so also you have to here provide the steel of the column. So you have to provide the neck column. We also call it neck column, steel of the column. When you complete, and after completing the reinforcement, you have to cast the concrete. So you have to provide the construction joints. How sometime in Aramco project we were chipping this area. When you chip this area and you complete the reinforcement for the steel for the column, so when you are going to cast the concrete for the column, so in this area you have to provide this bonding sealant or bonding agent, and this will be a rough area, a chip area. You have to make chipping here to make it rough to get the strong bond between two concrete. Now here all around 2 quarts of bitumen fan. Ties of the column will be 10 mm diameter, and the distance between two tie bar will be 125 mm or 12.5 centimeter. Okay, and here there will be top of grade beam. After that here will be grade slab, which the slab grade thickness will be 15 centimeter. Now this is the thickness of the footing with the concrete. This is the thickness of the PCC. Here you have to provide approved soil. Okay, here you can see from here the distance in 10 centimeter. This is the PCC. PCC should be more than the length of the dimension of the footing. Bottom of footing, this is the level for the footing. NGL natural ground level or finishing ground level. Top of grade beam, top of grade beam, yes. And here will be slab on grade. And after that, when you complete this one, so you have to make a column, structural column. This is the footing plan. Here you can see the footing plan. Top one steel, this will be the bottom two steel, same which I told you in the section. Here the top two steel, in this area you have to provide. You can see from this, these are the top two steel. Okay, and here you can see the bottom one steel. These will be the bottom one steel. So all the details are mentioned here is very simple if you study the general notes and study the shop drawings properly. Dimension of the footing, 7.5 centimeter cover, everything is present in the shop drawing if you study it properly. And this is the column. Here this is the footing and this will be the column. Here you can see also the column stirrups and its bars detail very easily. So guys, I hope you will be able now to study the shop drawings of footing at your site very easily without any confusion. Otherwise, if you have any question about the shop drawing of footing or any other reinforcement element, structure elements, you can ask in the comment section. But I will upload another video for column, after that for beam, after that for slab on grade and also slab. So I will try to cover the shop drawings for all structural element in my videos. So guys, please share the video with your friends, like the video and comment your suggestion and question in the comment section. And if you are new here, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel for civil engineering, KVQC engineer, civil engineer life in Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much for watching.